one, go! Just out of the commentary.
Hello everyone, I am back for the Grand Finals. And hopefully I want to do this long, but if I have to do this long, then I guess I have Advo versus Hex. And aka Dark Souls versus Party Kane. And I'm actually very curious on how this will go, because I think Advo versus Hex before, right? Yeah, in the Winners Finals. So I wonder if Advo will come on top again, or if Hex will take it back. Who knows how long this will be? Maybe this will be a 30 to 40 minute Grand Finals. We don't know. Ooh, Hex almost breaking out the shield right there. And okay. This is a very interesting matchup, considering that one is distance, while Palutena is a mix between distance and close range. Palutena can really do both, and top tier. What can you do? But even then, sometimes top tier doesn't even matter. It depends on your skill. And Advo takes the first stock with not too much of a lead, but who knows? Maybe that lead will actually be very useful. That's second stock. My bad. I can't. I may need glasses. Who knows? Readjust the punches to get a better position. Ooh, Advo looking really nice in the first game. Still hasn't lost first stock, and Hex is at 75%. Every single time when I say something, they lose a stock. Oh, whatever. It can still be anyone's game at this point. Especially when you just... all you have to do is nair. Hey, I mean, I can't complain much. I'm a pit. That's all you do is you nair. You nair and you forward. So, in reality, I'm not much better. Ooh, Advo able to get rid of Hex's stage, whatever. Ooh, and Hex unfortunately SDs for the first game. So Advo takes the first point for Grand Finals. Okay. Ooh. And currently, it's only 4 minutes into the game. Wow, I'm actually quite surprised. Only 4 minutes in. And it is very late today. Oh wow, that time just kind of flies by when you're commentating or in charge of stream. But anyway, second match going into Lilat. Okay, Lilat's done Advo well in the past. It'll probably do well this time, hopefully for him. But maybe Hex is able to adapt to the situation and is able to cancel out Advo's tether grab in narrow stage. All right. Ooh, Hex is not allowing him to take any distance, and Advo just gets him away with the up B, another up B. Wow. I mean, that is Samus' special. Ooh. Hex almost messed up on the recovery right there. Ooh, it is a very close game at the moment. Ooh, that might be... Yep. That was Advo's downfall for missing that up B. Alright. Right now they're just kind of playing the neutral game at the moment. Ooh, not the best idea to do counter. Oh! Huh, some of the game gave Hex his grab back, or whatever. Ooh, just barely not enough to get rid of Hex stock. And there we go, even game right now. Advo behind by 24%, but that could easily change. Or getting the nairs up. Hey, there we go. Ooh, Advo able to... Oh, nope, not quite. Ooh, they're playing a very dangerous game when going up ledge at the moment. This is kind of nerve-wracking. Alright. Ooh, Advo able to punish after getting that spike. Nice. Still a very close game at the moment. Man, that is such a good move. Like, wow. Will Advo win another tournament, or will Hex be able to win? I don't know if this is his first tournament. If it's not the first tournament, I am sorry, Hex. Not me. But, ooh, man. Everything about this is nerve-wracking. Ooh, nice DI from Hex. And... Ooh, if one of them got off a grab, they're not going to get done for. Ah! Ooh, wow. He was able to get a safe spike on that. I don't even know if... Okay. And Hex with the taunt. Okay. Okay. Jeez. Everything about everything. Okay. Ooh, Advo getting into the... Oh, yeah, good punish into forward air. Oh, Hex coming in with the back air. Ooh. Yeah, Advo's starting to figure out how many times Hex uses counter, and Advo takes the second game. All right. All right. I think Hex will still be able to take it back. It's anyone's game still. I believe that very true. Even though Advo did take the first game, but Advo is still Hex is still very skilled at it. And it seems like they're going to Lilat. Seems like they're thinking of possibly going in the... Nope, they're gonna go for the same. Alright. Respect. And it seems like we are going for Lilat once again. I think this is the most I've ever seen Lilat at one of our events. Maybe I should start practicing on this stage just in case. Because, from what I understand, the reason why people don't like Lilat that much is because you can bonk your head on the bottom of the stage super easily. But that is actually very useful for characters who have a tether grab, like Dark Samus. And Advo coming in for the shield punishes with up B. Ooh, so close to getting them off ledge. Oh, Hex is not letting him get back on. Ooh. Oh man, these two are so dangerous off ledge. It's just so nerve-wracking because any one of them can just destroy each other. Like they are so aggressive on stage. Ooh, unfortunate for Advo to miss the ledge there. Ooh, barely missed the last hit on the up B. And also, Lilac completely getting rid of Advo's neutral B. But it's not too big of a deal. He didn't get too horribly punished by that. Ooh. Right, nice use of grab right there. Ooh, still bailing out enough. When does that kill? It seems like it kills. Well, obviously, probably like 100. Probably kill right now at least. Because man, it seems like a okay. Advo taking the first stock. X is still in the lead with 99% ahead. He could still get the stock off of him very quickly. Oh right. Dude, did he just cancel that grab? Oopsies, my bad, people. Accidentally bumped the mic. Oh man. Advo barely hanging on to a second stock. At a nice 140%. Ooh, nice DI by Hex. Will that be enough? No, it will not. I think a fully charged neutral special would have been able to do it, but unfortunately... Alright, Hex losing the second stock, but Advo barely ahead. Any hit could kill him at this point. Keeping it very close for everyone. There it is. Both on the last stocks. Alright. Ooh. Counter coming in again. Oh, whoa, that was weird. What happened there? Huh. Weird things happening with Advo's up B. Because I saw Palutena's attack go out as soon as he did the up B as well, so that was very interesting. And people yelling in the background. Okay. Don't know what's going on there, but whatever. Ooh, both at around 70%. Ooh, buddy. Let's see. Nope, that's still not enough. Nice DI by Hex. Oh, jeez. And Advo takes it. The winner of Workshop number 6. All right. Great games by both players, honestly. And this has been the Workshop number 6. If you haven't already, go check out our YouTube workshop, TheWorkshopFGC, to get the top 8 of this tournament. And also check out our Discord and Twitter. Thank you guys for watching.